Everyone, hope you're doing well. It is 11:13 on Tuesday morning. I've edited my vlog. I have put some more things on Poshmark. I've got some more behind me to put up. I need to go to the loo. I cleaned up that little area. Ooh, right there. Put all the clothes in a bag that need to go. Got rid of some junk. Emptied the good garbage. And that's it. So I've been up here all morning. It's 11:15. Ash is downstairs with Luna. Pete's obviously at work. I've had a couple of calls from Pete. The coronavirus has actually been, there's been one outbreak in New York City and one in Westchester County. So that's where we live, Westchester County. So from New Rochelle, but we don't live in New Rochelle. God, dust. I've got to clean up here. So yeah, Pete said there's a CVS on the way to Ashley's job. He's like, do not go there because the person that had been diagnosed with it actually went to that one to go get medicine. So people are just being told just to stay away. You know, no one's going to want to go out of the house and leave the house. This is getting out of hand. It is widespread. It's crazy. Very frightening. That something like this can be wiping people out, you know. Apparently there was somebody that came back from New York and wasn't feeling well. And there was something Pete was telling me, like he went to the doctor, but they wouldn't treat him for it or something. So he quarantined himself in his apartment. I don't know. Pete was telling me something about it. So I have to look more into it. This thing keeps coming on about how this snake, I can't even say the word, and I literally get the chills, ate a whole something or other. I'm like, a towel or something. I keep showing it on Alexa. I don't want to I literally don't want to know. I can't even look at them, say the word. It makes me go really funny. It was so beautiful this morning. I've got the window cracked, even though my window's absolutely filthy. The windowsills, everything needs cleaning. But that tree is definitely budding like crazy right outside the window here. So spring is definitely on its way. All right, guys, I'm going to add the rest of the stuff and then I need to go. I haven't had breakfast yet, so I guess, Loon, Roxy dog. Look at this. Time to get the scissors out. I need something to eat. I'm very, very hungry. I need to go down and see what I'm going to have. See if Ashley's eaten yet or if she's hungry. But yeah. So it's been a busy morning, but I just haven't vlogged, so I apologise for that. Anyway, I hope everyone's having or had a brilliant Tuesday by the time you see this, and I'll talk to you later. Okay, doing a couple of errands and Ash is getting McDonald's. She feels like fries dipped in milkshake because someone was doing it online yesterday. Craving now. She's craving it. What are you doing?
I mean, that is just...
What are you doing? You look guilty.
No. Sorry, I'm so sorry, Judy.
The face.
A misunderstanding.
Don't you blink all innocent at me.
Definitely not flirting. I guess I thought that was understood because we're... Obviously. I mean, not obvious. You know, you're gorgeous, really, for your cohort.
Luna. Ooh, Luna.
Oh, you did this? You did this?
Hello again, everyone. It's only 5 to 4, and yes, I'm sitting up here and I put my pajamas on. I'm feeling pretty rough, so I just figured I'm just annoying everyone with, Ash is downstairs. I just don't want to annoy her with keep coughing. I just can't stop. It just comes and goes in bouts, and then it'll stop for a couple of minutes, and it'll start and stop and stop. Hurts. So I figured, let me come up here, get out the way, make the most of it that she's home, so Luna's not alone. She's got company, and yeah, that's it really. Just catching up on a bit of Emmerdale while I sit here. And it's raining. Yay. It's supposed to rain now for a couple of days. But we got our stuff shipped out. Ash got hers shipped out. I got mine shipped out. And we're both hoping to sell something else again a little bit later on. I keep shaking the phone doing that thing. Come on, shake me out of sale. Anyway, guys, I'll talk to you. And I'm just going to end the vlog because I just keep coughing and I can't even, like, speak 2 words. So I've just bought a bacon sandwich up. The reason I don't want to eat downstairs because I keep coughing. I don't want to put them off their food. Pete's having leftover steak and Ash had a burger. So anyway, guys, whew, I'm going to love and leave you for this evening. Hope everyone had a wonderful, wonderful day, whatever it is you did today. Hope it was a good one, and we'll see you tomorrow. Good night.